What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? MonkeyFlop here, and today we're going to Venice Beach, California, baby. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to hit a like, comment down below. It's gonna help the video get seen a lot more. We're doing things a little bit different on this channel, and I'm loving it. You know, getting to explore different parts of Los Angeles, which, by the way, if you guys have any ideas of where you want to see me go, let me know in those comments down below. I'm always looking for a new adventure. Whoa, not cool, man. I just washed my bike. I'll wash it again. Let's go have some fun. Oh man, I just felt the temperature change. It's like a little bit cooler over here. I'm digging it, especially in full gear. Carry surfboards on my bicycle. Alright, this is Venice Beach, ladies and gentlemen. This is a cool little strip, to be completely honest with you guys. Well, we're here, Venice Beach. Venice Beach is known for the fishing, to be completely honest with you guys, which is pretty cool. I need to come here and do some fishing sometime. But yeah, dude, that guy's nuts up there. Paragliding thingy-mabopper over there. I don't know, what is that thing called? Let me know in those comments down below. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but if you look like really closely, you can see that he's actually attached to a boat. I thought he was just free falling or something like that. That would have been wild. Dude, it'd be nice to go out on a boat like that. I think it'd be awesome. Anyways, I don't want to overstay my welcome, so we're actually gonna head out. Uh-oh, doggies. Hey, puppy. I don't want to turn on the motorcycle because I usually get attacked by dogs, and that guy doesn't have a leash on. Where's that dog at? I don't want to get eaten by a dog. But yeah, man, I love this little strip right here. Got a bunch of bars. I'm not much of a bar guy, but they got a Starbucks somewhere. Oh yeah, Starbucks right there. Cold Stones. I'm a fatty. That's where you'll see me. Oh, and C&O. C&O's awesome. Looks like they're closed though, which sucks. Yeah, man, but C&O is awesome if you guys like Italian food. They have one right here on Washington, and then they have another one down the way closer to Culver City. Awesome food. I love the bread. I go for the bread rolls. Garlic buttery juiciness is amazing. Venice canals are awesome. Imagine living here. That would be absolutely wild. Out here enjoying the scenery. Hello. Out here enjoying the scenery. For those of you guys that ever wanted to come, you could just drive up Dell Street and it's easy peasy, baby. You can look up. Ooh. Hello, doggy. Dogs always want to try to attack me on the motorcycle. I'm telling you. We can actually stop here. Okay. But yeah, Venice canals. It's a nice place. You could come and actually walk. So for any of you guys that are hopeless romantics, you know, bring your girl, bring your guy, bring whoever. Come in the evening though. That's the best time to come, to be honest with you guys, because then the sun starts to set. You still get some daylight. But then the lights from all these houses are pretty awesome too. So yeah, wanted to take you to the Venice canals. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I will see you guys in the next motorcycle vlogging video. Oh, I'm so used to saying my other outro. It's funny, but you guys are freaking awesome.